See, oxidation reduction. We can call this in short redox. Okay, red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation. For this, you remember one keyword: oil rig. Okay, O is oxidation. So oxidation is loss of electrons. R stands for reduction. Reduction is gain of electrons. Okay. Now I'll just consider a few examples to explain where oxidation is taking place and where reduction is taking place. Okay, we have considered here electrolysis of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. Okay, the reaction that is taking place at cathode. At cathode, the ion that comes over here is cation. Okay, cathode is negative electrode, cation is positive electrodes. Okay, so here we have Na plus. It will be gaining one electron. It is going to become Na. Okay, now here there is gain of electrons. So as per our rule of oil rig, reduction is gain of electrons. So at cathode, because there is gain of electrons, Na plus is gaining one electron to form sodium metal. Here the process that is taking place is reduction. Now opposite of this at anode. Anode is a positive electrode. The ion that gets attracted towards it is anion, which is a negative ion. In this example, the negative ion is Cl minus. It is losing one electron to give you chlorine atom. Now here there is loss of electron. Okay, that is at anode. Therefore, this process is going to be oxidation. Okay, here the electronic configuration is 288. After losing one electron, its electronic configuration becomes 287. It means from 288, the configuration now has become 287. There is loss of one electron. Therefore, here the process is oxidation. So the key word is oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electrons. Okay. In terms of electrolysis, at cathode, there is going to be a gain of electrons. So reduction is going to take place at cathode. And at anode, there is going to be loss of electron. So oxidation is going to take place at anode.